Are you spending too much time preparing for meetings, taking notes, and following up afterward? Fireflies AI can automate many of those tasks, helping your team stay organized and productive. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve your meeting workflows with Fireflies AI. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign into your Fireflies AI account and connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. This allows Fireflies to detect your upcoming meetings and automatically join supported video calls when needed. Once your calendar is connected, Fireflies can automatically join meetings on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. It records the conversation, creates a searchable transcript, and generates an AI summary without requiring manual note-taking. That means you can stay focused on the discussion instead of documenting everything. After the meeting ends, open the meeting notes to review action items, decisions, and important discussion points. You can quickly assign follow-up tasks and revisit key moments without replaying the entire recording. This makes post-meeting work much more efficient. To streamline your workflow even further, connect Fireflies with tools like Slack, Notion, Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, or other supported integrations. Your meeting notes and summaries can automatically sync with the apps your team already uses every day. That helps eliminate repetitive manual work. Instead of searching through old emails or documents, use Firefly's search tools to instantly find past conversations, action items, decisions, or specific keywords across all your meetings. This makes valuable information easy to find whenever you need it, and that's how you improve meeting workflows with Firefly's AI in 2026. By automating recordings, summaries, follow-ups, and integrations, you can spend less time managing meetings and more time getting work done. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.